Hi parents! Let's walk through how to enroll your child or family member in a course using the parent portal. It's simple. Before we get started, let's talk about the difference between these two pages. All Courses page is where you'll find all the courses available for you and your child to enroll in. Perfect if you're looking to add something new. On the other hand, My Courses page is where you can check out the courses you're currently enrolled in. Got it? Now let's dive in. Head to the navigation menu and click on All Courses. This will display courses available for enrollment. To narrow down the list, you can use the search function or apply filters by price, course type, or subject. When filtering by price, you'll find three main options. Free courses are a great way to try things out without any cost, providing a simple introduction to the material. Taster courses offer a more in-depth preview for a fee, allowing you to explore further before committing to the full course. Finally, regular courses offer full, structured learning for long-term progress. Keep in mind that not all schools may offer every option, so availability can vary. Next, course types help you find the best fit for your child's learning style. Self-paced courses offer flexibility, allowing students to progress at their own speed. Online courses are great for remote learning and can be tailored for individuals or groups. Language courses are a common example. For those who benefit from direct interaction, in-person courses provide hands-on learning, whether one-on-one or in group settings. Think of a pottery class or singing course. You also have the option to toggle between grid view and list view. If you prefer to see courses in alphabetical order, that option is available too for easier browsing. Once you find a course that interests you, click on it to view more details. Scroll down to view the lessons included in this course. Click the drop-down next to each lesson title to expand and see the specific topics in detail. When you're ready to proceed, click Select Family Member. A prompt will appear asking you to choose who you want to enroll, either yourself or a family member. After selecting, click Enroll Now to continue. Next, a pop-up will appear allowing you to choose a preferred teacher and day. Use the drop-down to select a teacher. Blue days indicate availability. Gray days mean the teacher is unavailable. Tick the box next to your preferred day, then click Next. Now, choose your preferred start date and time slot. After making your selection, click Next. You'll see a list of session dates and times. Review these carefully to ensure they fit your schedule. Once everything looks good, click Next at the bottom of the page. You'll then be directed to a confirmation page to review all course details. Follow the prompts to complete the payment. Once the payment is processed, you'll be redirected to ilerno and receive an email confirmation that the enrollment was successful. Simple, right? I hope this helped.